It's time to rebuild stamina. How do you know that you have stamina?
I have stamina because I know the words in the sentence of each book, and I can talk about the characters.
I know I have stamina when I can read fluently, I know what the story's about, and I know most of the words.
My reading stamina is pretty good. I write about what I think about in my books and what I know about.
I know I have good writing stamina because I can write my ideas down really quick.
I know I have good writing stamina because I can think of lots of details. I write them down, I write the whole time, and I get it done.
I know that I have math stamina because I can add, subtract, divide, and multiply. Also, I can write, say, and do all these math problems.
And how do you know you get it right?
Because I check twice.
Take a deep breath and keep trying.
And focus so you can build your stamina.